Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This oven Alba brand. This one of the common problem. It's too hot. When they put cake or something, so it's burning. It's too hot, cannot control. But there is power. Yeah, there is power. So this is the common problem. Too hot, and this problem is temperature switch. This temperature switch has spoiled. It has been direct. It's not working. So that's why it's working direct, so that's why it's too hot, cannot control. So this is the temperature controller switch. I have to change this controller switch. So dear viewers, this is a temperature switch. Yeah, this switch, see, this temperature controller. So I have new, so I'll change it, then video will be back. Yes, I have changed the thermostat controller, temperature controller. Okay. So let's see, is it working now? So Alhamdulillah, after that it's working fine. So it's working nice, Alhamdulillah. Thank you dear viewers for watching my video. It was problem only this temperature switch. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.